Singapore. Nah, let's do it one more time. What's up, Universal Studios Singapore? Yeah, it's your boy MC King Cypher, the baddest Mother's Day present buyer. And by bad I mean good, and by good I mean great. Let's start the battle for this real estate. That's right, party people. I got two principles like indignity, and they gon' have to work it. No diggity. I got an ayo. Hold up, wait a minute. Who are you guys anyway?
We are the Supersonic Crew. Everybody make some noise!
Is that Supersonic Crew? Oh, like the song. And they gon' make a supersonic man out of you. So don't stop there now. You hear that? You hear that? Right here, I got the boys with the toys. They make the most noise. Check this. They are the groundbreakers. The sound makers. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the beat shakers. Ooh-wee. And of course, I can't forget this hunk of love and luck. She's the biggest. She's the baddest. She is the Rhythm Tribe. Yeah. What's up, guys?
Yo, enough talking, let's sit battle!
Oh, Supersonic, are you guys ready to clash, huh? Cause my brothers of the B team's about ready to smash! Let's see which one out of these two will come on top. And which of the team will develop. Come on, the battle begins now! Battle time, come on! What? Okay. If you wanna act, you can give me like hey. Back it up. Hey. Oh yeah! Give it up for the Supersonic Crew, the beat shakers, y'all. Y'all didn't make me lose my mind, so give it up one more time! That means make some noise and clap your hands, let's go! Alright, decisions. Hey yo, check this. I'm the king of the hill, if the hill was a truck. Decipher, you step into what you are out of luck. I spit flows and shells, cause I rule with benevolence. But right now I can't choose, cause it doesn't make any sense, man. But I can't decide, it's too good. So, I've got a better idea. Let's take it to the audience! Give it back, my take it to the audience. I like it, that's hot. Now, good case can admit that sometimes it gets hard to see, so I'll wise up and call for a time of democracy. And all of you can be the judge of this drum and dance explosion. So my ladies and my gents, you be the tribe that's spoken. So let's up the ante and let's raise the stakes. Let's hear a piece of these crews can teach you folks to shake. Get it? All right, now here's the deal. Each one of these crews are gonna pick one person from the crowd. They're gonna teach you as much as possible. And then we're gonna go head to head for a final battle royale. So B-Shakers, you ready?
Yeah.
Supersonic, are you ready? Beautiful people, if you're ready, say yeah! Say oh yeah! All right, boys, let's get ready to rumble! All right, let's see who we got in the house here. You gotta make some noise and represent your country. If you are from India, make some noise, India! No, I know you can do better than that. One more time, India! There we go, namaste! Anyone here from China?
Oh, him.
Only one person?
yeah.
All right, what about Philippines?
Yeah.
Yeah, Philippines in the house. Now what about Australia? Anybody here from Australia? UK? Korea? No, Japan? Where's anybody from? Shout it out. No? Indonesia? Hey, come on. Supersonica, you got 5 seconds left. If not, it's a forfeit over here. Supersonic crew, we got 1 second. Hi, come on over here, please. Oh, I love your outfit. Hello. Hello there. Stand over here, please. Let's get some names. Hi, what is your name?
I'm Rachel.
Rachel, where you from?
I'm from Indonesia.
Rachel from Indonesia. Everybody clap your hands. Come on. Everybody clap your hands. Thank you very much. Over here. Hi, what's your name?
Fatima.
Fatima, where you from?
I'm from India.
Fatima from India. Everybody clap your hands. Let's go. We got Rachel on this side, Fatima on this side. Now, all you have to do is follow whatever these guys do, alrighty? Rachel, you ready? Thumbs up. Fatima, you ready? You ready? Beautiful people, are you ready? Thumbs up. Everybody say yeah. All right, boys, whenever you're ready. All right, Rachel's getting ready. Rachel's getting ready. Hey, take your time, not too long. Get ready? All right, now, B-Shakers, whenever you're ready, drop that beat. Just follow whatever they do, okay? Let's go. Go ahead. We go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. You gotta clap your hands like this. Let's go. Hey, hey. Come on. And 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now give it up for Rachel. Hey, go back to your corner. Give it up for. All right, now, Fatima, show us what you got. B-Shakers, let's pick them up. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3. Let's get it. Shakers, let's spice things up a little bit. All right, turn up the heat. Fatima and Rachel, let's go. Show us what you got. Everybody clap your hands. To the beat now. Go, go. Remix. Let's go. Hey, hey, hey. Whoa, whoa. All right, last move. You get a last move. What? You guys are superstars. All right, now Rachel, come on over to the center. All right, Fatima, come over here. Look at the camera, pose, and say peace. Ready? 1, 2, 3, peace. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up. Woo-wee. All right. It's now time for you beautiful people to decide what the crew you think should win. Make some noise as loud as you can for the Beat Shakers! What about the Supersonic crew? One more time, Beat Shakers! Supersonic crew! It's getting crazy. You get some crazy. I'm crazy because you know what? Hey, there can't be one winner because both of these crews get chicken dinner. What I'm really trying to say is, Supersonic crew, B-Shakers, you both win! Woo! We're all winners here at Rhythm Truck 2.0. Right about now, everybody clap your hands. Let's go. This is Rhythm Truck 2.0, and I'm MC King Cypher. Have a beautiful day here at Universal Studios Singapore. Peace out.